For decades, the Leopard 2 has been one of the world's most respected main battle tanks. But modern battlefields are changing. Drones hunt tanks from above, anti-tank missiles strike from kilometers away, and digital warfare has become just as important as armor. To meet these new threats, Germany's Rheinmetall introduced an entirely new concept, the KF-51 Panther. At first glance, the Panther resembles a modernized Leopard 2, but underneath the armor, it's a completely different machine. Its biggest upgrade is the massive 130mm smoothbore cannon. While most NATO tanks still use 120mm guns, the Panther's larger weapon delivers substantially more kinetic energy, giving it greater armor penetration and longer effective range against heavily protected targets. Unlike older tanks that require a human loader, the KF-51 uses an automatic loading system. This allows the crew to be reduced from 4 soldiers to just 3 while maintaining a high rate of fire. The saved space can also be used for an additional mission specialist, such as a drone operator. But the Panther isn't just about a bigger gun. It has been designed as a fully digital combat platform. Every crew member has access to advanced battlefield information displayed in real time. Artificial intelligence assists with target detection, threat prioritization, and battlefield awareness, helping the crew react faster than ever before. The tank is equipped with 360-degree cameras and advanced sensors, eliminating many of the blind spots that have challenged tank crews for decades. The commander can monitor the battlefield from every direction without exposing anyone to enemy fire. One of the Panther's most impressive features is its ability to work with drones. Instead of relying only on what the crew can see, the tank can deploy or control unmanned aerial systems to scout enemy positions far beyond the horizon. In addition to its main cannon, the Panther can also carry loitering munitions. These weapons behave like small drones that search for enemy targets before diving in for a precision strike, giving the tank the ability to engage enemies hiding behind cover or at extended distances. Protection has also received major attention. The KF-51 combines advanced passive armor with an active protection system capable of detecting and intercepting incoming anti-tank missiles and rocket-propelled grenades before they hit the vehicle. Extra roof protection has been added to defend against top attack weapons, which have become one of the greatest threats to tanks in modern conflicts. Despite carrying more advanced systems, the Panther weighs around 59 tons, making it lighter than many Western main battle tanks. This helps improve mobility while reducing logistical demands during long operations. However, it's important to remember that the KF-51 is still a new platform. It has not yet seen combat, and many of its technologies remain unproven under real battlefield conditions. Whether it lives up to its ambitious promises will only become clear after years of testing and operational service. Still, the Panther represents a major shift in tank design. Instead of simply building thicker armor and larger guns, it combines firepower, artificial intelligence, drone integration, and digital networking into a single combat system. As warfare continues to evolve, the future may not belong to the tank with the thickest armor, but to the one that sees first, thinks faster, and strikes before the enemy even knows it's there.